just got back home from church. Now, today, we are filling this bird house back up. Let's get this. So, we just gotta take it off of here, which, actually, no, we can't do that. Alright, I'm gonna get this roof off so I can put it in there, and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, we got it off and ready to go. So let's go ahead and get the feed. Get up here. There's the feed right there. Now, hopefully, righty. Have it on there. Put this back on there. Here, let me get this done real quick. That was a little bit of a hassle, but we got it back on there. The feed is ready to get eaten by the good old birds. Now, let's go check on our onions. Now, our onions are doing fantastic. And got little beet plants in there. Oh, dogs seem to be out. But we have little beets in there that I planted. So, got onions all along here and some beet plants all along here. That actually, oh, hold on. Gotta watch my step. That one looks about ready. Y'all see that? That one looks pretty big. Looking like we might have some onions here soon. Let's check how these plants are going. Looking pretty good. Not bad. I think, yeah, don't get me wrong, but I think we might be planting some plants in this area. I don't know if it's today, tomorrow, next day, who knows. But this is our plants. We got some coulis, I think, cherry tomato right there. That's a good old cherry tomato. Some concrete just planted. We got cherry tomatoes right here, a cucumber, all that. Looking pretty good. Look like they're flourishing currently. Looking pretty good. Alright. Well, I think what I'm gonna do next is water all my plants that I planted. Hello. There's Nyla. Her name's Nyla. Just go up through here. As you can see, we got some good old, dang, it's getting windy out here. Y'all see that? But as you can see, we got some stuff here. I'm gonna smell it. Smells pretty good. Man, allergies are killing me today. Now, one problem with our grass, since it was summer, as you can see, there's a lot of dirt patches of dead grass. So we just gotta wait until a certain time in the summer, and it should be back to normal. That one, that's getting good. Yeah, but all of these patches are from the summer. All of these patches are from the winter and the grass dying. In the summer, it's usually just all greenery. There's no dirt that you see. But as you can see, there's a whole bunch of dirt patches. So we just gotta wait for a little bit, and it'll be good. I recently mowed the grass, and before that, the dirt patches weren't as bad. But whenever you, mow the grass and, do all that stuff, you'll see, the true thing of it is gonna show. So, yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I think this came with the house. We didn't grow those. Oh, that was over there. No, get over there. Get from over there. Let's go check on the chickens. And the quills. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give them feed today. Probably in this video. Oh, there's Bluey. Her thing is healing pretty well. That used to be red. Now it's back to normal. All the chickens are over there. There they are. And you know what? Wait, let's see if we can find a dandelion they can eat. Oh, there's one. It says pick this. Now dandelions, if you're looking for something like a little treat for quails or chickens or whatever you have, dandelions are really great because they're nutritious for chickens, and also it's just like a little treat. Just gonna drop that in there. Alright, we'll see if that is eaten by the time we get back. What we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna go water the plants. So first we need the watering thing. Which, yep, there it is. Gonna go ahead and take this. Then we're gonna go inside, fill it up, and hopefully we get some water that we can carry and water the plants. Let's put this up. Then water the green. Put this. Alright, let's go get good old hose. Is it connected? The hose. Alright. Alright. Alrighty. Got the hose. Alright. Like this. Well, that's definitely not long enough. Alright. Alright. Let's water this thing. Well, doesn't seem like it's on. Hold on. Alrighty. Gotta switch hands. Alright, here we go. definitely not long enough. So don't make it longer. Alright, let's get back. There we go. Oh, I was blocking the screen. Sorry about that, guys. I bet these plants are enjoying this. There we go. Get through here. Well, and that is how you water all of the plants in the greenhouse. Let's go ahead and take this back out. All right. Take this. Oh. Put an intro at the end of the video because I'm editing it, as you can see. So, goodbye, guys, and Jesus is King, and Jesus loves y'all.